Hi, I'm Alstie with Charbroil, and this is our Big Easy outdoor air fryer. If you love the results of deep frying, but you hate the mess or the hassle of dealing with oil, the Big Easy is what you need. You get crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside results every time without a drop of oil. The Big Easy makes outdoor air frying simple and hassle-free. There's no oil to deal with and no mess to clean up. Plus, you get the added benefit of cooking without deep frying. It's also designed to be portable, which makes it great for backyard gatherings or taking on the road for tailgate or even camping. Anything you would air fry indoors, you can also do in the Big Easy outdoors. Plus, you can go so much bigger. The Big Easy is perfect for turkeys, full-size chickens, tomahawk steaks, kebabs, and so much more. And if you want to expand what you cook, we have a lineup of accessories that help you get even more out of the Big Easy. Things like a kebab set, collapsible basket, and an infuser open up new ways to cook and add flavor. One of the best parts is that the Big Easy cooks larger cuts of meat quicker than a traditional oven without sacrificing flavor. So you get to spend less time waiting and more time with the people you're cooking for. And our exclusive cooking system surrounds your food with heat from all sides, giving you even browning on the outside and juicy results on the inside. So whether you're feeding a crowd or you're making dinner at home and you want bold results without the mess of frying with oil, you need to check out the Charbroil Big Easy. It's built to make cooking easier and a whole lot more fun.